Hello everyone, this is just a short tutorial of how to set up Kids A to Z app for your child. The Kids A to Z app can be downloaded through any mobile or tablet device. It can work on Apple, Android, or Amazon device. So let's get right to it. First, you need to find and go to your app store. And since I'm using this from my Android phone, I will click on the Play Store right here. And once I click on the Play Store, on the search bar, I will type the Kids A to Z. And there's a selections right here, so I'm just gonna click that one. And now that you're into the Kids A to Z, once I find the app, I'm gonna install. It will take a little minute or second. After the installations, please open the app. And you will see where you need to type in the teacher's username in order to find the classroom. So my username is, of course, Mr. Yoon. And it is Mr. Yoon without any spacebar. So type all at once. And then once you type it in, you're going to click on it. And then you will find all of the students' name. Please find the icon with your child's first name in it. And once you click on it, you'll see a bunch of red icons. So I'll show you first. I'm going to just click on one of the child here. And you're going to see the bunch of red icon as you see right now. And this is a password section where your child needs to click on the correct icon. Our password is banana, so I'm just going to click on banana. And everybody else is going to be banana. So click on the banana and then you can enter. This is the main page, and from here you and your child can explore thousands of books to read in the practice on. The flight check on the top here is where you can access your child to find the reading level. Level up is more like the library where you can read and practice many books as you can. This is the level up place where you can just find a bunch of books that your child can listen and read. And every time they're done with the listening and read it, they will get a check mark or to where they have read up to. If they have any questions or if they don't know what the word is, they can click onto the word and then they can hear the word.
Bus.
They can just hold on to any words and they can hear it. They can highlight it to go back to the place. And they can remove the highlight. There's a lot of cool features within the app. I'm gonna go back because I want to show you something else. And once you go back, right now I'm just gonna show you how to complete the assignments that are given. So in order to go there, you're just gonna go to this assignment button here. And here you see the books that are chosen by me for your child. And for students that can speak in Espanol, I've assigned some of the Spanish version as well because after all, reading is reading, no matter which language. So the Spanish version is an optional to practice, of course, so it's really up to you. But some of you guys or some of the students might have a Spanish book here and there. Anyway, they're usually you're given about like 2 to 3 missions for each book, and the first mission is to listen, which is this listening one. And you click on the headset button to listen to the story. And once...
All About Spiders, written by Russ Booyak. There are many kinds of spiders.
And once you're done with it, it's going to show this green light and the check. That means that you have completed it. And then you're going to click onto the next one. The book icon is the part where your child has to read by themselves. And in every assignment, there are usually 2 to 3 missions that they have to complete. You have to click onto each missions in order to complete, and the child, of course, have to read about it. Once they're done with all the readings, it's going to show green on each button. And once they're done with all the green buttons and once they're done with all the books, then they can move to the next books. And that's how they will be finishing their assignments. So that's about it, and that completes the short tutorials. Of course, there's just tons of book out there, so it doesn't always have to be my assignment, but your child can really literally read any books they want. Just try to guide them and see how they can do it. And that completes the short tutorial. Good luck, and most of all, please enjoy your good reading time. Bye bye.